Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the India's best-selling smartphone, Poco M3 Pro 5G. So the main feature of this phone is it has a 5G support, but in India we don't have 5G yet. Hoping to soon by end of this year or next year. But this phone has a lot of cool features. Without any delays, let's get started. This is a Poco M3 Pro 5G mobile I'm talking about. So it's recently launched and it's very powerful and has very cool features. As I said, one of the cool features is a 5G. So it's very faster and again, speeder phone I never seen. It comes with a 5G network where you can see both SIM support 5G network. So in India we don't have 5G as I said, but hoping to get it. So once we get it, you can really enjoy the speed of 5G. So coming to that, this phone has very good powerful processors. Like it has a Cortex A76 cores, 2x performance, 2.2 gigahertz is a clock frequency, and you can see that it comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 700 was 700 CPU that is very powerful 7 flash chip level process, and it also has an Cortex A55 6x performance cores at 2.0 gigahertz frequency. Coming to GPU, it has a 950 Mali G57 GPU, one of the most powerful gaming GPU. As I said, this you can phone enjoy a true gaming experience, and a 5G display support up to, as I said, like 90 Hz to 60 Hz, 50 Hz. So true gaming experience. It comes with 6.45 Full HD display. You can see that Gorilla Glasses and Reading Mode 3.0 for best viewing experience. You can see that, right? And coming to that camera sensor, so this is very interesting and my favorite part. I really like the design of the way the camera has it looks some gives us a professional gaming or experience, right? And it can see 48 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. You can able to capture wide angle images. So now coming to that, where we can able to buy this. So since there are like big billion days happening, so I would recommend to go and buy these things in Flipkart. The reason is you will get extra 1500 off. So the price of this phone is 16499, but still you can able to get it like 1500 off, very very discount price. If you can able to apply ICICI or Axis Bank credit cards, right? You can just go to this and you can able to buy it. Like if you can able to use ICICI or Axis Bank or debit card and credit cards, you are able to get this amount. So and I actually got this at 15499. So this is very very affordable price. Again I'm saying, since it's a big billion days happening, you are able to get this phone at best price. So I would recommend to buy this smartphone. In this phase, you will get extra 15% discount. So one of the most affordable 5G smartphone in this price, I definitely say. So it will comes with 64 GB and 128 GB and 4 GB and 6 GB variants. I would recommend to go with 6 GB because it will be in little bit feature perspective. If you are going to use 5G in future, maybe you don't need to change the phone, right? For 5G speed and also the 6 GB RAM would be a recommended one. And as I said, it has all of the specs. You can just go through it, and as we already discussed, it has improved experience. And coming to that, it has a HD displays and hybrid SIMs support, slot support, and there are a lot of other cool features it has. Sunlight mode, all those stuff. And that, as I said, octa-core. So these are it has a dual network 5G support. So these are some details. Okay. So I would recommend to check out this best experience. It was very good, and let's go into the unboxing the phone. Yep, let's open it. It comes in a yellow box. It was really you know nice. It comes with charger and a Type C USB cable, and this is a phone. And it also has a pouch. You can able to use it in white color pouch. So let's just go and power it on. Before that, it also has a fingerprint sensor at the power button itself. Like I really like the black one. It has the Let's power on. It will take some time to set up the initial setup for the first time. Powered on as a 5G. As you know that Poco uses MIUI, and tap next to go to the next steps. Choose a language, country, region India, and then agree to the terms and conditions. I am skipping the SIM setup and even the Wi-Fi's, so just to go for onboard experience, how the UA looks like. I'm not, you can set in a fingerprint as well. So once you tap on the setup completed, but I really like the back end one, the camera that they have. It's really cool. It will take some time to that. After that, you can see that I can able to open up the dryer and going to settings, checking about whatever the versions it has. I said like 128 GB, and it comes with MI12 inbuilt OS. That's all. Thank you for watching.